Did you know that 73% of Americans have financial regrets? Stay tuned to find out how to avoid them. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of financial planning for beginners and why it's crucial for setting yourself up for a secure future. Let's talk about the challenges beginners often face when it comes to picking a financial planner. It can be overwhelming due to the lack of knowledge in the financial realm and the fear of making the wrong choice that might impact your financial future. When it comes to picking a financial planner for beginners, there are a few key factors to consider. First and foremost, it's important to do your research. Look for financial planners who are certified and have a good reputation. You can start by asking for recommendations from friends, family, or colleagues. You can also search online for financial planners in your area. Hello, financial explorers. If you're looking to make sense of your money and secure your financial future, a financial planner can be a valuable guide. But how do you choose the right one, especially if you're a beginner? In this guide, we'll walk you through the essential steps to pick a financial planner who suits your needs and helps you achieve your financial goals. Step 1. Understand the types of financial planners. Before diving into your search, it's crucial to understand the different types of financial planners. Fee-only planners. They charge a flat fee, hourly rate, or a percentage of assets under management. They do not earn commissions on products they recommend. Commission-based planners. They earn commissions from selling financial products such as insurance policies or investment funds. Fee-based planners. They charge a combination of fees and commissions. Step 2. Define your financial goals. Determine what you need help with. Budgeting and saving, if you need help managing day-to-day finances. Investing, if you want to build a diversified investment portfolio. Retirement planning, if you need a plan to ensure a comfortable retirement. Debt management, if you need strategies to pay off debt. Estate planning, if you want to prepare for the distribution of your assets after death. Step 3. Check qualifications and credentials. Look for certifications and designations that indicate a high level of expertise and commitment to ethical standards. Certified Financial Planner, CFP, indicates comprehensive financial planning expertise. Chartered Financial Analyst, CFA, specializes in investment management. Certified Public Accountant, CPA, focuses on tax planning. Personal Financial Specialist, indicates additional expertise in financial planning by a CPA. Step 4. Research potential planners. Referrals. Ask friends, family, or colleagues for recommendations. Online searches. Use directories from organizations like the CFP Board, NAPFA, or FPA. Background checks. Verify credentials and check for any disciplinary actions or complaints on regulatory websites. Step 5. Prepare questions for your first meeting. When you meet potential financial planners, ask these key questions. What are your qualifications? Confirm their certifications and experience. How do you charge for your services? Understand their fee structure. What services do you provide? Ensure they offer the services you need. Can you provide references? Speak to current or past clients. What is your investment philosophy? Make sure their approach aligns with your goals. Step 6. Evaluate their communication style. It's important to choose a financial planner who communicates clearly and makes you feel comfortable. They should be able to explain complex financial concepts in a way that you understand. Consider their responsiveness and willingness to answer your questions. Step 7. Assess their fiduciary status. A fiduciary is required to act in your best interest. Ask the planner if they adhere to fiduciary standards, which can give you peace of mind that their advice is aimed at benefiting you, not just their wallet. Step 8. Review their track record. Look for a financial planner with a proven track record of success. Ask for case studies or examples of how they have helped clients with similar goals. Step 9. Make your decision after meeting with a few planners. Take the time to compare their services, fees, and how comfortable you felt with each one. Choose the planner who best fits your needs and with whom you feel a sense of trust and rapport. Step 10. Start your financial journey. Once you've chosen your financial planner, work closely with them to develop and implement your financial plan. Keep the lines of communication open and schedule regular check-ins to ensure you stay on track. Choosing a financial planner is a significant step towards achieving your financial goals. By understanding the different types of planners, defining your needs, checking qualifications, and asking the right questions, you can find a planner who will guide you towards financial success in 2024 and beyond. Happy planning. Once you have a list of potential financial planners, it's time to start narrowing down your options. One important factor to consider is the planner's qualifications. Look for planners who are certified by reputable organizations such as the Certified Financial Planner Board of Standards. This certification ensures that the planner has met certain education and experience requirements. Another important factor to consider is the planner's fee structure. Some planners charge a flat fee for their services, while others charge a percentage of the assets they manage. Make sure you understand how the planner will be compensated and how much you can expect to pay. It's also important to consider the planner's investment philosophy. Some planners may focus on conservative investments, while others may be more aggressive. Make sure you choose a planner whose investment philosophy aligns with your own risk tolerance and financial goals. Finally, it's important to meet with potential financial planners in person before making a decision. This will give you a chance to ask questions and get a sense of the planner's communication style and personality. Make sure you feel comfortable with the planner and confident in their ability to help you reach your financial goals. In conclusion, picking a financial planner for beginners can be a daunting task, but with the right research and preparation, you can find a planner who is the perfect fit for your needs. Remember to consider factors such as qualifications, fee structure, investment philosophy, and personal rapport when making your decision. With the help of a qualified financial planner, you can take control of your finances and work towards a secure financial future. To wrap things up, always remember the significance of finding the right financial planner. They can make a world of difference in helping you achieve your financial aspirations and avoid those common regrets down the road. Before we wrap up, remember to hit that like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and don't forget to share your experiences with financial planners in the comments section below. Your input could help others make informed decisions too. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.